connected to the internet. But someone thinks, just imagine someone steal our personal data without our permission. This is called the cyber attacks. So protect our personal data, information, other digital data. We need the cyber security. Next, so this slide, this is my agenda of today's my presentation. Now let's see this slide. One person work on the multiple computer systems network. This shows how multiple networks work from on the multiple network cyber security to save our data. Types of the cyber threats: hacking, phishing, malware, ransomware, in which our emails hacked. What's the data hacked without our permission? This is the cyber threat. To for this cyber security, we need to protect our personal data. There are many cyber security. Now let's go to the next slide. The different types of the cyber security. First is a secure network. When our computer system, laptop connected to the network, like Wi-Fi, other internet, so our data lost. But we use the cyber security like firewall. It is the protecting one which protects our network threats. Second is the unified SASE. SASE means the service access secure as, which in which the SD-WAN is used. When we store our data on the cloud storage, SASE is used to secure the cloud security. And next is the AI-driven security, which automatically work, which store, detect the data from the AI and block the all and block unethical issues. This figure shows that the connected convergence and security threats. It shows that it work together, not individually. Now move to the next slide. This is tell about the cyber security importance. Cyber security important because our all data today is available online. Banking, transactions, other are available online. If we use the cyber security, this is the safe. Without cyber security, our digital life is not safe. Now move to the next slide. This is the real life example of the cyber security. AIMS Delhi cyber attacks in 2022. Cyber attacks. This figure shows that the how patient ransomware attack in which the patient data log, hospital services disrupted, and important information at risk. This is the real life example. The AIMS Delhi Act in 2022. Cyber attacks is not only the technical issue in which the human errors are included. Over 90% cyber attacks happens due to the human error because the lack of awareness, weak password, phishing attacks. Human can be the both weakest link and the strongest defense. This so if the human is aware, then the cyber attacks are reduced. Now in 2025, cyber security has the scope of into more than scopes. This figure shows that the global cyber security increasing rapidly day by day. This plays a vital role in protecting the modern digital economy because in today's world, organization, governments, banking, transaction, all are depends digitally. So cyber security is very important to protect our online data. In 2026, future outlook of the cyber security. Global cyber security spending expected to increase around 50% in 2025. By the 2030, 85 billion jobs are remain unfilled due to the lack of the skills, lack of awareness. This cyber security profession increasing day by day. Rise of AI-driven security which detect automatically and hack and block the unethical techniques. Quantum secure encryption. This slide shows that many times quantum software computer encrypted may break the encryption, but we use the quantum safe computer, which save our protection, sensitive data, detect unknown threats. National security, cyber security will become essential because national security, protecting of digital economy, business continuity. Now see the next slide. In this slide, figure shows the protecting shield, which show that the protecting shield save our family, future. It means that in digital age, cyber security is not protecting data, it is protecting digital civilization. It is the essential, remains statement, trust in digital system, stability of global economy, protection of personal identity, security of nations. Now we see that the advantage, disadvantage, but cyber security is many opportunities, career opportunity in which we make our career like ethical hacking, cyber security analysis, cyber security specialist, risk manager, application security engineer, in which we make our futures. But we need the skills. So we need skills for career opportunity in cyber security. Cyber security finally says that the cyber security is not just a technical issue, it is the necessity. Protecting our digital world means protecting our futures. And finally, we can say that the cyber security is the backbone of our digital world, our futures. Thank you for listening my presentation.